Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Apple has just announced the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, and this year things are bigger than ever. From a bold redesign to next generation performance, here is everything you need to know about Apple's 2025 iPhones. For the first time in years, Apple has shaken up the lineup. The iPhone Plus model is gone, replaced with a brand new ultra thin model called iPhone Air. So the lineup now includes iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's start with the regular iPhone 17. It comes with a 6.3-inch Retina XDR display that now supports 120Hz ProMotion, a feature previously exclusive to the Pro models. Apple has also added Ceramic Shield 2 on the front glass, which is tougher than ever and provides better scratch resistance along with reduced glare. It's powered by the A19 chip, delivering faster performance and better efficiency. On the camera side, you get dual 48 megapixel Fusion rear cameras and a new 18 megapixel front camera with center stage for better selfies and smarter framing during video calls. The iPhone 17 is available in a fresh set of variant shades. Apple is offering it in lavender, sage, mist blue, white, and black, giving buyers a good mix of classic tones and playful options. The iPhone 17 start at $799, and this year Apple has increased the base storage to 256 GB, which means you are getting more value right out of the box. Next is the brand new iPhone Air, Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, measuring just about 5.6 millimeters thick. It uses a titanium frame for strength while staying incredibly lightweight. It features a 6.5-inch display powered by the A19 Pro chip. The rear camera is a single 48 megapixel Fusion lens paired with some 18 megapixel center stage selfie camera. Video recording also gets an upgrade with dual capture mode, letting you record from front and back cameras at the same time. The big change here is the Air is eSIM only worldwide with no physical SIM tray at all. It comes in sky blue, light gold, cloud white, and space black color that really highlights its ultra thin titanium frame. The iPhone Air, being Apple's bold new experiment in design, keep things simple but elegant. The brand new iPhone Air comes in at $999, also starting with 256 GB of storage. Now let's move on to Pro models, which get the biggest redesign in years. Both phones feature a new forged aluminum unibody with a horizontal camera plateau design on the back. They also bring vapor chamber cooling, keeping performance stable during gaming or heavy workloads. Under the hood is the A19 Pro chip, the most powerful chip Apple has ever made. On the camera side, you get three 48 megapixel Fusion lenses with the Pro Max going all the way up to 8x optical zoom, the longest zoom ever on the iPhone. Creators will love the Pro video tools, including support for ProRes RAW recording. For the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, Apple has gone with a more premium and professional palettes. This year, they are available in silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. But notably, the black option has been discontinued. For the iPhone 17 Pro, the starting price is $1099 with 256 GB of storage, and at the very top, the iPhone 17 Pro Max begin at $1199 for 256 GB, with higher capacity options available for professionals and creators who need up to 1 TB of storage. All four models include Apple's new N1 chip that support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread for smart home devices. There is also a faster C1X 5G modem for better network speeds. And across the entire lineup, the 128 GB option is gone. Storage starts at 256 GB and goes all the way up to 1 TB for Pro models. The iPhone 17 lineup brings bigger batteries and smarter charging. iPhone 17 has a 3692 mAh cell for up to 2 extra hours of use, while the slimmer iPhone 17 Air carries 3149 mAh but still lasts all day with the A9 Pro chip. The iPhone 17 Pro jumps to 4252 mAh, adding around 2.5 more hours, and the Pro Max leads with a massive 5088 mAh, giving 3 extra hours of playback. All models supports USB-C fast charging, MagSafe, QI2 wireless charging, And with iOS 26, AI optimized charging that learns your habits to protect long-term battery health. Pre-orders for all the iPhone 17 model begins on September 12th and they will be available in stores from September 19th. So that's the new iPhone 17 lineup. The iPhone 17 is the solid everyday upgrade. The iPhone Air is a bold new experiment in design. And the Pro models, they are built for creators, power users, and anyone who wants the very best. Which one would you pick? The sleek iPhone Air or the powerful Pro Max? Drop your choice in the comment below. Hit like if you find this video useful and don't forget to subscribe to Geeker Mac for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.